At the edge of a quiet mountain village, there lived an old woman in a small stone house. Her home was simple, built of rock and dreams. She had no children, no riches, no grand legacy. But she had something rare: peace. Every day, she lit a small fire in her hearth. She stirred a pot of soup with whatever her garden gave. And she hummed old songs, forgotten by the world. The villagers often came to her when sadness weighed on them, because somehow she always smiled, even when she had nothing. One day, a strange traveler knocked on her door. He said, "You have lived a good life, so I will give you a choice. 3 doors. Behind one lies your deepest desire. Behind the others, disappointment." The old woman smiled. "I am too old to chase dreams," she said, but the traveler insisted. He led her to a quiet meadow. There stood 3 doors, one golden, one wooden, one rusty. Without hesitation, she walked to the rusty door. "Why this one?" the traveler asked. She smiled. "The most beautiful things in my life have always come in old, worn packages." She opened the door. Inside was nothing, only dust and silence. The traveler looked at her, waiting for sadness, but she laughed gently. "I came into this world with nothing, and I still have my smile, so I have lost nothing at all." He opened the other doors. One shone with piles of gold. The other held a mirror, showing her young and wealthy. "You could have had so much more," he said. The old woman replied, "More than what?" "More than peace. More than knowing how to smile in the dark. More than the joy of warm soup and a quiet heart. No, I think I chose the right door." And so she returned to her little stone house. The fire still burned, the soup still bubbled, and her smile was worth more than gold. Sometimes happiness is not behind the golden door. It is in the choice to smile, even when the door is empty.